Imagine a home that responds to your every need, making life simpler and more enjoyable. In today's tech-driven world, smart home gadgets have taken innovation to the next level. So get ready to be amazed as we unveil 10 incredible smart home devices that go beyond the ordinary. From futuristic security to intelligent appliances, these gadgets will revolutionize the way you live. Whether you're looking to fortify your home or protect your business, Yui Floodlight Cam E340 doesn't just deliver. It excels, ensuring you can sleep soundly, knowing that your property is safe and secure. Imagine having a camera that not only pans a full 360 degrees for a complete view, but also employs AI to identify people and track their every move. It's like having a vigilant security guard on duty 24/7, ensuring you're always in the know. Plus, you can schedule it to auto-patrol, adding an extra layer of control to your surveillance strategy. But that's not all. This Floodlight Cam comes equipped with dual cameras that offer the best of both worlds. The telephoto lens can zoom in and capture details up to an impressive 50 feet away, while the wide-angle camera delivers crystal clear 3K resolution for the bigger picture. You can even zoom in up to 8 times digitally to focus on specific areas or objects. Aside from that, a stable connection is essential for seamless video streaming and remote monitoring. And this Floodlight Cam delivers on that front as well. It fully supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, ensuring lightning-fast speeds and rock-solid connectivity. Not just a surveillance tool, this device also doubles as a potent lighting solution. With a dazzling peak brightness of 2000 lumens, you can customize the light to your heart's desire. Set it up for motion-activated illumination to deter potential intruders, or configure it as ambient lighting to enhance your property's aesthetics. And when it comes to storage, Yui understands that flexibility is key. You can store up to 128 gigabytes of critical footage with a micro SD card. But if you need even more storage capacity, it's as simple as connecting this cam to the Homebase S380. Granting you a staggering 16 terabytes of storage for all your security needs. In summary, the Yui Floodlight Cam E340 is not just another security gadget, it's your trusty guardian angel.
Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Upgrade your home security effortlessly with the Xense S101 Wi-Fi Alarm Listener Kit. No need to replace your existing alarm system. Simply install the SAL100 listener nearby, and it will send mobile notifications when your alarm is triggered. The included base station is equipped to sound an alarm, but it's important to note that the listener alone doesn't have the capability to detect fire, smoke, or carbon monoxide. The SAL100 listener comes with a unique locating function offering 17 optional locations. When a detector is activated, the listener not only sounds an alarm, but also announces the specific location, helping you pinpoint the source of the issue quickly. Plus, in case of an alarm, all connected SAL100 listeners simultaneously sound the alarm and report the location of the original triggered alarm. Stay informed about your home's safety and the exact location of potential threats from anywhere. Compatible with all alarm brands, including standalone, wireless interconnected, and AC hardwired models, the SAL101 supports both standard and voice alarms with or without location. Receive quick app alerts when your home's smoke or CO alarm is triggered, allowing you to take immediate action and stay up to date on your home safety in real time. Linking up to 50 devices, the provided base station is compatible with a range of products such as the SAL51 monitor, XS01M smoke alarm, XC01M carbon monoxide alarm, SWS51 water leakage sensor, STH51 temperature and humidity meter, and additional Xense offerings. Construct your intelligent home security system and keep tabs on your home's safety from any location at any time. Your tea time just got an upgrade with the Yano Design teapot, a technological marvel that turns your tea drinking ritual into a personalized experience. No more settling for a generic cuppa. This smart teapot takes tea brewing to a new level. Imagine a world where your tea adjusts to your mood and surroundings. Feeling stressed? Let the teapot brew a calming chamomile. Need an energy boost? Enjoy a perfectly infused green tea. The magic lies in its ability to adapt, adjusting brewing time and temperature based on your tea selection and mood. But it's not just about intelligence. The teapot boasts a unique and beautiful golden drop rotating infuser, making each tea session a visual delight. Elevate your tea drinking experience with the Yano Design teapot, where technology meets tranquility. Upgrade your morning routine with the Revolution R180S, a smart toaster that's not just about crispiness, but a revolution in toasting technology. Picture this, a sleek touchscreen interface offering 6 preset bread algorithms. It's not just a toaster, it's your personal chef. The InstaGlow heating system ensures your toast is crunchy on the outside and irresistibly soft inside. But wait, there's more. A brushed stainless steel finish and a large, full-color display elevate your kitchen's style. This digital wonder goes beyond ordinary toasting. Customize your toasting experience with 3 modes, 7 shades, and options for fresh or frozen treats. And if you're in the mood for a panini, this smart gadget partners seamlessly with a panini press for the perfect crunch every time. Say goodbye to ordinary toasters. The Revolution R180S is here to redefine your toasting experience. The ORVIBO dimmer switch brings smart lighting control to your home. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, you can adjust brightness from 0 to 100%. Creating customized scenes like movie mode is easy. Simply set your lights to the perfect brightness for watching films. This dimmer switch also works with Alexa, Google Home, and other smart platforms, giving you voice control options. The built-in 1.9-inch display shows time, weather, and more. Scheduling ensures lights turn on or off automatically at set times and brightness levels. Overall, this gadget makes home lighting simple and convenient. Designed for PC gaming, the YesLamp Ace LED desk lamp features dynamic RGB lighting effects. Its ambient light strips have 6 intelligent modes like rainbow gradient change that transform to the rhythm of music or games. With a CRI over 96, it emits light close to natural sunlight for accurate colors when drawing, reading, or working. The desk lamp offers fast 10-watt wireless and 18-watt USB-C charging. Made from sturdy aluminum alloy, YesLamp Ace has an industrial yet sleek look. Controlling its settings like color temperature and brightness levels is straightforward with the 4-button interface. This smart gadget is the final touch for a modern, stylish gaming setup. The Ogarden Smart makes home gardening wonderfully simple. It can grow up to 90 plants at once with automatic watering and LED lighting that provides optimal conditions for year-round growth. The all-in-one system allows you to enjoy fresh, homegrown fruits and veggies whenever you need them. After sowing the seeds and letting them germinate, transfer the seedlings to the cultivation wheel. Then, wait for 5 weeks and you'll be ready to harvest. With sustainable technology that grows produce easily right in your home, the Ogarden Smart offers a new way to eat fresh that's effortless and eco-friendly. Just sow, transfer, and harvest for simple, beautiful indoor gardening. Say hello to the future of waste management with the TOWNEW T1, the world's first trash can that takes the hassle out of trash duty. This ingenious smart trash can doesn't just contain your waste. It seals and changes the trash bag for you, ensuring your hands stay pristine. Equipped with automated technology, the T1 features a built-in thermoplastic sealing mechanism that effortlessly seals the trash bag to prevent spills and bad odors. Each refill ring, housing 25 durable liners, lasts about a month, making trash maintenance a breeze. With a rechargeable battery delivering a month-long charge, an overload feature that senses when the can is full, and a sleek design, this trash can is the game changer your kitchen deserves. The DAYOO Kitchen Steam Cleaner tackles dishes without needing soap or sinks full of water. Using 221 degrees Fahrenheit steam, it blasts through grease and kills 99% of germs without chemicals. The high-pressure jet cleans dishes in just 10 seconds. Its portable, wall-mounted design goes where you go, cleaning the bathroom, garage, and anywhere else. The DAYOO is efficient too, using 80% less water than hand washing. Just add a small amount of water and let the steam power do the hard work. Keep hands 4 inches away and spray from 2 centimeters to melt grime rapidly. The 1.2-liter tank lasts approximately a week. Skip the dishpan hands and let the DAYOO steam clean the easy way. Tired of burning dinner or worrying about leaving the stove on? Bring your cooktop into the 21st century with the ORVIBO Smart knob. This clever gadget replaces your old-fashioned knobs, letting you control the stove from your phone. No more babysitting boiling pots that overflow and make a mess while you're distracted in another room. This knob has your back. With handy app features like remote temperature adjustments and auto-off timers, this gadget makes cooking less stressful and more foolproof. Alexa voice commands let you go completely hands-free. Get notified if you leave the stove on, preventing potential disasters. The ORVIBO installs in a snap and works on most existing stoves. Stop burning dinner and start cooking smartly and safely with the ORVIBO knob. So that concludes our list of 10 amazing smart home gadgets that will surprise you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.